In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write 5/8 in Excel. Excel is a powerhouse tool for number crunching, data analysis, and much more. But it sometimes interprets your data in ways you might not expect. Ever tried entering a fraction and ended up with a date? It's a common hiccup. Today, we will navigate through Excel to input the fraction 5/8 without Excel mistaking it for a date. Whether you're using Excel for homework, work-related tasks, or just organizing your personal life, knowing how to accurately input data is crucial. So, let's get started. First things first, if you don't have Excel installed on your computer, no worries. Microsoft offers a free online version of Excel that you can use with a Microsoft account. Simply visit the free Microsoft 365 online page. Here you'll have access to Excel along with Word, PowerPoint, and other applications, all from the convenience of your browser. Once you've navigated to the page, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on it. This is the gateway to your Microsoft ecosystem. If it's your first time, don't be shy. Microsoft's sign-up process is straightforward and secure. Now, upon clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to type in your email. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any access issues. Remember, your email is your identifier across all of Microsoft's services, keeping your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations neatly tucked under one roof with your account. After entering your email, click Next. This is a simple step but crucial in moving forward seamlessly. If you've entered your email correctly, you'll be one step closer to accessing Excel online. So, you've signed in successfully, and now you're ready to dive into the actual task, entering the fraction 5/8 into an Excel cell. For this tutorial, we'll use an example file. If you're following along, feel free to use any Excel file you have on hand, or simply open a new spreadsheet. The process remains the same. The trick to correctly entering fractions in Excel, such as 5/8, is to precede your fraction with a 0 and a space, like this, 0 and 5/8. This little hack tells Excel, hey, this is a numerical value, not a date. Excel's default setting interprets entries with slashes as dates, which can be annoying when you're working with fractions. Find an empty cell in your Excel sheet. This will be the canvas for our fraction entry. Now, carefully type in 0 and 5/8. The leading 0 and space are essential. They make all the difference in ensuring Excel understands that you're inputting a fraction, keeping it from transforming it into a date format. And voila, you've just successfully entered the fraction 5/8 into Excel without it morphing into a date. This simple yet effective method ensures your data remains accurate, reflecting exactly what you intend to input. To wrap up, Excel is a fantastic tool with immense capabilities. However, understanding its nuances, like how it interprets data, can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. Today's lesson focused on bending Excel to your will when it comes to entering fractions, ensuring they don't mistakenly turn into dates. With this knowledge, you can move forward confidently, making Excel work for you in all your data entry tasks. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Excel is a vast playground, and the more comfortable you get with its features, the more you can achieve. Happy spreadsheeting, and until next time, keep exploring all that Excel has to offer.